welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I brought my wig back to life with all these beautiful bouncy curls, luster look, and stay tuned for the tea because sis, it helped my hair out a lot. So if you want to get your wig back popping, stay tuned to this video. Hey guys, so first you got to clean off that lace, get all that gunk out of that lace, and you know, all that glue that you had on there is too much to be keeping on when you're trying to wash it. So let's remove it with some alcohol. So you get some alcohol and rub your lace. This video is sped up, so I did take my time doing this, but yeah, so clean that lace off before you wash it. I repeat, clean your lace off before you wash it. So I'm going to start with detangling my hair before I boil it in the water, get all those tangles out, and yeah, let's put this in the boiling water. So add your water in your sink, and you're going to begin to so I started with my silicone. I usually use silicone conditioner too, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use my regular Dove conditioner. So I'm going to add that to my water, a good amount in there, yes, because this wig needs to come back to life. I'm also going to add my oil that I use. I'm going to put a few drops in as well, so this would help too. This water is hot. You can see how hot this is. Whew. So mix it around and get it all mixed in, and you're going to continue to dip your hair in. I did this a few times, and this is really hot, you guys, so be careful doing this. Just dip your hair in and just constantly keep dipping it in. I really hope this works, because this wig needs to get on my head for the holidays, and I need to start looking nice. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to dip it in and detangle it as well. So yeah, just continue to detangle your hair, get all those knots out, and then you guys, after you finish doing all of that, you're going to let it sit. So yeah guys, so after you let it sit, you're going to go in and detangle it again to get all those knots out of your wig, and you're going to start washing your wig. So here I am detangling it again, and I'm going to start washing my hair with my silicone shampoo. It smells so good, you guys. I wish I had the conditioner as well, but I ran out, unfortunately. You can see the water has changed color. It was clear, now it is brown looking. All of that dirt and disgustingness is out of this wig. You're going to go in and wash your wig from the bottom to the top. Also, you guys, don't forget to wash that cap, okay? Wash your cap, wash the inside of your wig. Don't just wash the hair, wash your cap, okay? That is where all the dirt is really at as well. It's because also it's sitting on your head and you want that to be clean as well. So you guys continue to wash your hair as I am doing. I just want to be extra careful. I just want to make sure this is real clean, okay? So I'm going in a lot of times, 4 to 5 times, washing it. I'm going to drain my water and rinse it with some clean water. So after all of that rinsing, just make sure you rinse it up really good, because the silicone and the conditioner that was sitting in the hair can stay on the hair. So rinse it out again, like with some cold water at the end, multiple times, because you want to make sure all of that conditioner and shampoo is out of your hair. Right here, just like bunch up your hair and try to get as much water out before you start to style it and flat iron it, or if you want to blow dry it as well. But me, I like to air dry it a little bit before I start to style it. So I'm gonna have it sit here for like an hour just to get it good and dry. So here it is. It's kind of still damp. I'm going to start to pin it down and detangle it some more. But before I do that, I'm going to add my leave-in conditioner to my hair. I really don't put that much product in it, but I'm going to put a little bit before I start to style it. I'm going to also put some frizz control in it as well. And yeah, you guys, more detangling, obviously. So I'm going to put some flexi rods in my hair. I don't want to put any heat in it right now, so I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to part it right here. And yeah, so let's part this wig. So got your purple flexi rod going on. I'm going to just flexi rod my wig all the way around, and because I'm gonna have time to be curling it and putting heat into it. So let's begin. Yes, do you see these flexi rods? This hair is going to come out so nice. I can't wait to put it on. Whoa, oh my gosh, you guys, do you see that? No heat, only flexi rods. Okay, it did work. This boil method works, you guys. Try it, do it. I'm gonna start to do this to my hair maybe every month. I really don't wear the wig that much, but I'm gonna be wearing it today because sis, do you see it? Woo, look at the flow. It's the wig for me, okay? But thank you guys for watching. I love all the support I am getting on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, because I need the support. Support my channel. Thank you. Hope you guys liked this video.